Master AI and make an easy $1,000 a day. Simple tools and tricks revealed. As you may have noticed, AI is a hot trend right now, and it holds incredible potential for substantial earnings. Our channel is all about easy, accessible online money-making strategies, and we're thrilled to share these insights with you. So, let's start with the basics of AI. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the simulation of human intelligence in machines. It has applications in various industries, from healthcare and finance to entertainment and beyond. Understanding these basics is the first step towards leveraging AI for profit. Now let's discuss the tools and software you'll need to start leveraging AI for profit. There are many options out there, but we'll focus on the most effective and user-friendly ones to get you started on the right foot. Finally, let's showcase some simple tricks and techniques to maximize your earnings using AI. These tips are designed to help you get the most out of your AI tools and ensure you're making the most profit possible. Stick around and let's get started. Let's take a look at some real-life examples of successful AI implementations that have led to significant financial gains. Companies like Amazon and Netflix have harnessed the power of AI to personalize user experiences and optimize their recommendation systems. Amazon, for instance, uses AI to analyze customer behavior, predict future purchases, and recommend products that customers are likely to buy. This not only enhances the shopping experience, but also significantly boosts sales. Netflix, on the other hand, employs AI algorithms to analyze viewing habits and recommend shows and movies that align with individual preferences. This personalized approach keeps users engaged and subscribed to the service. This, in turn, has driven customer engagement and increased revenue. The impact of AI on customer engagement is profound. By offering personalized recommendations, companies can create a more tailored and satisfying experience for their users. This leads to higher customer satisfaction, increased loyalty, and ultimately, greater revenue. For example, Amazon's recommendation engine is responsible for a significant portion of its sales, demonstrating the power of AI in driving business success. Financial institutions are also leveraging AI for fraud detection and risk management, saving millions of dollars annually. Banks and financial institutions face constant threats from fraudsters and cybercriminals. AI technology helps these institutions detect and prevent fraudulent activities by analyzing vast amounts of data in real time. Machine learning algorithms can identify unusual patterns and flag potential fraud, allowing banks to take swift action. Additionally, AI is used in risk management to assess the creditworthiness of borrowers, predict market trends, and make informed investment decisions. This not only reduces financial risks, but also enhances the overall efficiency of financial operations. These examples clearly show how AI can be a game changer in various industries. Beyond retail and finance, AI is making waves in healthcare, manufacturing, and transportation. In healthcare, AI-powered diagnostic tools are helping doctors detect diseases at an early stage, leading to better patient outcomes. AI algorithms can analyze medical images, identify anomalies, and provide accurate diagnoses, reducing the burden on healthcare professionals. In manufacturing, AI-driven automation is streamlining production processes, improving quality control, and reducing operational costs. Robots equipped with AI can perform repetitive tasks with precision, allowing human workers to focus on more complex and creative aspects of production. In transportation, AI is revolutionizing the way we travel. Self-driving cars powered by AI are becoming a reality, promising safer and more efficient transportation. AI is also being used to optimize traffic management, reduce congestion, and improve public transportation systems. The potential of AI is limitless, and its applications are expanding across various sectors, transforming the way we live and work. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative solutions that will drive progress and create new opportunities for businesses and individuals alike. The success stories of Amazon, Netflix, and financial institutions are just the beginning. The future of AI is bright, and its impact on our world will be profound and far-reaching. Now, it's crucial to stay updated with the latest AI trends and advancements. In today's fast-paced world, artificial intelligence is evolving at an unprecedented rate. New algorithms, models, and applications are being developed almost daily, and staying informed about these changes is essential for anyone involved in the tech industry. Whether you're a developer, a researcher, or simply an enthusiast, keeping up with AI trends can help you understand the direction in which the technology is heading and how it might impact various sectors. To do this, you can follow reputable AI research journals and subscribe to newsletters from leading tech companies. These sources often provide in-depth analyses, case studies, and the latest findings in the field of AI. Research journals like the Journal of Artificial Intelligence Research, JR, or the IEE Transactions on Neural Networks and Learning Systems are excellent resources. They publish peer-reviewed papers that cover a wide range of topics, from machine learning algorithms to neural network architectures. Subscribing to newsletters from tech giants like Google, Microsoft, and IBM can also keep you informed about their latest projects, breakthroughs, and product releases. These companies are at the forefront of AI research and development, and their newsletters often include insights from top experts in the field. Attending webinars and conferences, whether virtual or in person, can also provide valuable insights. These events are great opportunities to learn from industry leaders, network with peers, and discover new tools and techniques. Many conferences, such as the Conference on Neural Information Processing Systems, NeuraPES, or the International Conference on Learning Representations, ICLR, feature keynote speeches, panel discussions, and workshops led by some of the most influential figures in AI. Webinars, on the other hand, offer a more flexible way to stay updated. They can be attended from anywhere in the world and often cover specific topics in great detail. Platforms like Coursera, Udacity, and edX frequently host webinars on AI and machine learning, featuring experts from academia and industry. Additionally, joining online communities and forums can help you stay connected with like-minded individuals and industry professionals. Platforms like Reddit, Stack Overflow, and GitHub have vibrant AI communities where members share knowledge, ask questions, and collaborate on projects. These forums are excellent places to discuss the latest trends, troubleshoot issues, and get feedback on your work. LinkedIn groups and professional networks like the Association for the Advancement of Artificial Intelligence, AAI, also offer valuable opportunities for networking and professional development. By participating in these communities, you can stay informed about the latest developments, gain new perspectives, and build relationships with other professionals in the field. Keeping up with AI trends ensures that you remain at the forefront of technology and innovation. In a world where AI is becoming increasingly integrated into various aspects of our lives, staying informed is not just beneficial, but necessary. By understanding the latest advancements, you can identify new opportunities, anticipate challenges, and make informed decisions. Whether you're developing new AI applications, conducting research, or simply trying to stay ahead in your career, staying updated with AI trends can give you a competitive edge. It allows you to leverage the latest tools and techniques, stay ahead of the curve, and contribute to the ongoing evolution of artificial intelligence. So, make it a habit to read, learn, and engage with the AI community regularly. Your efforts will pay off in the form of enhanced knowledge, improved skills, and greater success in your endeavors. Alright, let's address some common misconceptions about AI. Many people think that AI is only for tech experts or large corporations, but that's just not true. AI has the potential to benefit everyone, regardless of your technical expertise. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or just someone curious about new technology, AI can open up new opportunities for you. Now let's explore a step-by-step guide on how to get started with AI for financial success. First, identify the areas where AI can make a difference in your current workflow or business model. Next, research the AI tools that best fit your needs. Then, implement these tools gradually, monitoring their impact and making adjustments as necessary. Finally, don't forget to continuously educate yourself on new AI developments to stay ahead of the curve. Be sure to stay until the end of the video as we share a brief video that uncovers a unique approach that defies conventional methods and boosts your income potential. If you're tired of traditional strategies that don't deliver, this innovative system could be the breakthrough you've been waiting for. To give you a clearer picture, let's hear some testimonials and success stories from individuals who have used AI to earn $1,000 a day. These stories highlight the transformative power of AI and how it can significantly boost your earnings. You'll see real-world examples of people just like you who have leveraged AI to achieve financial success. E-commerce entrepreneur.
I started my e-commerce store with a few products, but struggled to gain traction. Then, I implemented an AI-driven recommendation engine that personalized product suggestions for each visitor. Within a month, my sales skyrocketed, and I started making over $1,000 a day consistently. The AI tool analyzed customer behavior and preferences, offering tailored suggestions that boosted my average order value and customer satisfaction. AI has transformed my business and allowed me to scale beyond what I imagined.
Stock market trader. As a stock market trader, timing and data analysis are crucial. I began using an AI trading bot that leverages machine learning algorithms to predict market trends and automate my trades. The AI's precision in analyzing historical data and real-time market conditions helped me make smarter investment decisions. Soon, I was averaging $1,000 in daily profits. The AI tool has become an indispensable part of my trading strategy, allowing me to capitalize on opportunities I would have otherwise missed.
Content creator and marketer. Creating engaging content and driving traffic to my site was always a challenge. After integrating an AI content generator and SEO optimization tool, I noticed a significant increase in my website's traffic. The AI suggested trending topics, optimized my headlines, and even helped with keyword placement. My ad revenue and affiliate commissions soared, and I now earn over $1,000 a day. AI has been a game changer, allowing me to focus on creativity while it handles the technical aspects.
Dropshipping business owner. When I started my dropshipping business, I struggled to manage inventory and select winning products. I then adopted an AI-driven product research tool that analyzed market demand and competition. This tool identified trending products and optimized my pricing strategy. As a result, my daily sales exceeded $1,000 and my profit margins improved significantly. The AI tool has streamlined my operations, making it easier to scale my business efficiently.
So to recap, let's take a moment to reflect on what we've embarked on together. Stay until the end of the video, as we are sharing some exclusive information on how even a beginner can start their journey to having great success with these essential AI tools. We've reviewed the common misconceptions about AI, unraveling the myths that often cloud our understanding of this transformative technology. Many people believe that AI is a distant, almost mystical concept, reserved only for tech giants and experts. However, we've shown that AI is not only accessible, but also incredibly practical for everyday use. From the fear of AI taking over jobs to the misconception that AI lacks creativity, we've addressed these concerns head-on. By understanding the true nature of AI, we can better appreciate its potential and harness its power effectively. We provided a comprehensive step-by-step guide to getting started with AI. This guide was designed to be user-friendly, breaking down complex concepts into manageable steps. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone with a bit of tech savvy, our guide offers valuable insights and practical advice. We covered everything from the basics of machine learning to setting up your first AI project. By following these steps, you can build a solid foundation in AI and start experimenting with your own ideas. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and in the world of AI, that first step is crucial. We also shared inspiring testimonials and success stories from individuals and businesses who have successfully integrated AI into their operations. These stories serve as a testament to the transformative power of AI. From small startups to large corporations, AI has proven to be a game changer, driving innovation and efficiency. We heard from entrepreneurs who used AI to streamline their processes, reduce costs, and even create new revenue streams. These success stories are not just about financial gain. They also highlight the creative and problem-solving potential of AI. By learning from these examples, you can find inspiration and motivation to pursue your own AI projects. Now it's time for you to take action. The knowledge and insights you've gained are only valuable if you put them into practice. Start by identifying areas in your personal or professional life where AI can make a difference. It could be automating repetitive tasks, analyzing data to make better decisions, or even developing new products and services. The possibilities are endless, and the only limit is your imagination. Taking action means being proactive, experimenting with new ideas, and not being afraid to fail. Remember, every failure is a learning opportunity, and every experiment brings you one step closer to success. Explore the world of AI and discover the financial opportunities it offers. AI is not just a tool for tech enthusiasts. It's a powerful engine for economic growth. By leveraging AI, you can unlock new revenue streams, optimize your operations, and gain a competitive edge in the market. Whether you're an entrepreneur looking to innovate or a professional seeking to enhance your skills, AI offers a wealth of opportunities. The financial benefits of AI are vast, from cost savings and efficiency gains to new business models and revenue streams. By staying informed and continuously learning, you can position yourself to take full advantage of these opportunities. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on leveraging technology for profit. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with the latest insights, tutorials, and updates on AI and other cutting-edge technologies. By subscribing, you'll stay ahead of the curve and be the first to know about new developments and opportunities. We offer a wealth of resources, from in-depth guides and case studies to expert interviews and live Q&A sessions. Our goal is to empower you with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed in the digital age. So hit that subscribe button and join our community of tech enthusiasts and innovators. Start your AI journey today. There's no better time than now to dive into the world of AI and begin exploring its potential. Whether you're interested in developing your own AI applications, enhancing your career prospects, or simply satisfying your curiosity, the journey starts with a single step. Begin by setting clear goals and creating a roadmap for your AI learning and development. Take advantage of the numerous online courses, tutorials, and resources available to build your skills and knowledge. Remember, the key to success in AI is continuous learning and experimentation. The more you practice and explore, the more confident and proficient you'll become, and move one step closer to earning $1,000 a day. While this may seem like a lofty goal, it's entirely achievable with the right approach and mindset. By leveraging AI to create value, solve problems, and innovate, you can unlock significant financial rewards. Focus on identifying high-impact opportunities where AI can make a difference and be persistent in your efforts. Success in AI, like any other field, requires dedication, hard work, and a willingness to learn from both successes and failures. With determination and the right strategies, you can achieve your financial goals and make a meaningful impact in the world of AI. To fast-track your success, discover the game-changing affiliate system that's transforming how we earn commissions. This brief video uncovers a unique approach that defies conventional methods and boosts your income potential. If you're tired of traditional strategies that don't deliver, this innovative system could be the breakthrough you've been waiting for. Click the link in the description below to learn more and take control of your financial future today.